Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mimi, and in today's video we are going to be making sympathy cards. Today is, what day is today? Today is Monday the 27th, and on Friday we lost my grandmother. So, I just wanted to make sympathy cards for my mom and two of my aunts. So this is what we're making today. Okay, I have everything cut and prepped. I did the sentiment on my joy off camera because that takes a while, and I made two of the three cards. So let's make the third, shall we? Alright, I believe it's from Park Lane, this embossing folder here. Like I said, I believe it's from Park Lane. There's nothing on it, so I don't know. I used this cardinal die that I just got on Amazon. I will make sure, if I forget, please remind me, but I will try to make sure to put it in my Amazon storefront, which is always linked down below in the description box. And I used this circle decal edge die. Okay, that's what I used, and then scrap papers. So here is all the stuff that was cut out. So let me get this out. And I'm going to leave my tittles inside. If you don't know what a tittle it is, it's what dots. It's the dot for above the I, and I'm guessing the J too, right? Right? It wouldn't just be for the I. Other things get dotted. But I usually lose them, and I was so very careful this time not to lose them. I think my favorite dies are the ones where the tittle is built into the die. Like I have a happy birthday where the I, the dot above the I is built into one of the other letters. Like, that's how they should all be, because I constantly lose them. They're so tiny. Anyway, I just wanted to make cards for my mom, and I'm seeing my mom and my aunt today. I was going to mail them out, but I'm like, I'm seeing them today, so I'm just going to, I already cut my foam tape because I did pop up these circles with foam. I already cut the tape so I could put everything away and clean up. And this happened in every single one. The one edge would not stay down. It happened on all the others too. How weird is that? Alright. I just spent, I don't know, what time is it? What time is it? I just spent an hour prepping these cards. I'm telling you. Alright, so let's pull apart the pieces for the cardinal. I used two different shades of red for the cardinal. You can't really tell. A piece of black, and I used this die to cut out a little bit of orange for a beak. So I want to trim this down and get it glued on. Now it didn't come with a piece for the beak. I just used the original die and cut slivers of orange. And then you just put the red piece on top, and it just fits together like a little puzzle. Okay. All right, that's together. See that? And then this black piece curves around like so. Okay, I'm going to put him about here. Let me see, where did I put him on the other cards? Okay, put him so his tail feathers were hanging off. About there looks good. Sure. Sure. They don't have to be perfect. It's not like they're all going to the same person. All right, and then when I cut out the Thinking of You die, I actually cut out vellum as the shadow. I was trying to decide. I'm like, I didn't want to do, I mean, I could have done white, but I didn't, there's so much white, and then this wouldn't pop very well. So I was trying to figure out what to do. I didn't want to do a color. Like, what was I going to do? Black? That would have been, I think, too much against the white. I didn't want to do more red. So I thought vellum was perfect. Also, I'm pretty darn chipper for not getting any sleep last night. I went to bed at 12:30. And when I tell you the amount of crap that goes on in my house in the middle of the night, I don't know what everyone's doing, but I know what they're doing. They're keeping me awake. So next thing I know, it's 1, then 1:30, then 2, 2:30. My boyfriend went to bed at 2. Then he started snoring. I turned off the TV. And my dad's TV was so loud. Guys, it was so loud, but I can't say anything to him because then he'll turn it down so low he can't hear it. And he's not going to have his, like, he needs to start wearing his hearing aids. He has hearing aids. The best part of it, I'm just going to chat while I glue this down. The best part about his hearing aids is once upon a time we had a neighbor and he passed on a few years ago. 2019, I believe. 2018 or 19. But he never wore his hearing aids. And my father did a lot for him, so he was always helping him out. Because he was in his 90s when he passed. He was like 93. So my dad would consistently bitch. I'm going to put a little dot of glue above the eyes on here and get the tittles. You see them? They're very tiny. They're right there. And my, I don't even think it's in here. It's not. I don't know where it would be. My quick stick. I don't know where my quick stick is. He would constantly complain that he wouldn't wear his hearing aids. And my dad's like, if I ever have hearing aids, I will wear them. Well, guess who has not worn his hearing aids since, for like a year? And I really need him to start wearing his hearing aids because his hearing is getting worse. And every time he doesn't wear his hearing aids, I say, oh, I thought you were always going to wear your hearing aids. Isn't that what you said? You said you'd always wear your hearing aids. Then he gets mad at me. And I find it funny. My lid for my scissor just went flying off. Obviously, I didn't put it on right. Alright, so we have that, and we have this, and I actually cut little slivers of foam tape because I popped up this circle I have to pop up. I can never, I've done this one how many times now, and I keep forgetting when I'm supposed to put the foam tape on so you can't see it from the front. So I have to put foam tape to pop up part of this. The other part is going to be on the circle. All right. So I have to get one of these out in the mail. And the other two I'm just going to hand deliver. Like I said, I was going to. Oh, I forgot for the F. What did I do with that? There it is. I was going to mail all of them out, but since I'm going to be seeing them, I'll just hand deliver them. I don't think they'll care. All right, there we go. For having no plan, I think it came out pretty good. What do you guys think? Give me a second and let me put my pin in my glue, because if I don't, we all know that my glue will dry out, because it's just what happens when you forget to put your pin in your glue. There it is. What do you guys think? I think they're very cute. They look very good. Look at that tree background, the inside. And there you go. 3 sympathy cards. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you liked this video, that it gave you some kind of idea. And did I not put? I didn't. Look at that. Where did I just put that tape? Right here it is. I didn't put any under this one over here. So let me put a little sliver under there. Is there some under there? Yeah. I missed putting a little piece on here. Now I gotta glue it back down. Look at that. That happens, I guess. I wasn't paying much attention. That's fine. It happens. Oh, okay. It's stuck. Whatever. Whatever. There you go. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.